A for apple. A double P L E. Apple. Apple means save. B for ball. B A double L. Ball. Ball means gend. C for cat. C A T. Cat. Cat means billy. D for dog. D O G. Dog. Dog means kutta. E for elephant. E L E P H A N T. Elephant. Elephant means hathi. F for fish. F I S H. Fish. Fish means machli. G for goat. G O A T. Goat. Goat means bakri. H for horse. H O R S E. Horse. Horse means ghora. I for ice cream. I C E C R E A M. Ice cream. Ice cream means ice cream. J for jug. J U G. Jug. Jug means mug. K for kite. K I T E. Kite. Kite means patang. L for lion. L I O N. Lion. Lion means sher. M for mango. M A N G O. Mango. Mango means aam. N for nest. N E S T. Nest. Nest means ghosla. O for orange. O R A N G E. Orange. Orange means santra. P for pen. P E N. Pen. Pen means kalam. Q for queen. Q U double E N. Queen. Queen means Rani. R for rabbit. R A double B I T. Rabbit. Rabbit means khargosh. S for sheep. S H double E P. Sheep. Sheep means bher. T for tree. T R double E. Tree. Tree means pear. U for umbrella. U M B R E double L A. Umbrella. Umbrella means chhata. V for van. V A N, van. Van means gari. W for watch. W A T C H, watch. Watch means घड़ी. X for Xmas tree. X M A S T R double E. Xmas tree means Xmas tree. Y for yak. Y A K, yak. Yak means yak. Z for zebra. Z E B R A, zebra. Zebra means एक प्रकार का घोड़ा.